Okay, you're all set.
Hi everyone, my name is Falcon. I am a accounting director, and this is
Accounting Vice President in Sharto.
My name is Govinara.
okay. As you can see, we already introduced the member already. Our mission is to we have some tasks and activities like below. We we record general ledger and preparation, financial reporting, year-end auditing, preparation, and support of the budget and focus the activity. This is the welcoming and thank you letter to the shareholders. And this is the tables of the room occupancy. You can see the first week, second week, third week, and the fourth week. And this is a chart of the sale of the first week. This is the chart of the second week, third, and the fourth. And this is the monthly sale of there. According to this chart, you can see that standard room has the highest occupancy, and the suite a little bit lower, and deluxe is very low. So, according to this graph, you can see that the suite has very low occupancy, and so therefore maybe it gives us an idea that maybe the marketing department can promote a little bit more about the standard suite room, so that way we can bring the occupancy of these rooms higher, so we can maybe make more money to the hotel. Next, I'm going to let Govinara talk a little bit about the shareholders and stockholders.
Thank you, Mr. Pun. My name is Govinara. Today I would like to talk about the shareholder and stock purchasing in last year. Here is the name of our stockholder, 15 shareholders who buy our stock last year. I sorting from the last name. This slide will show the precise list of the share issue for three types. For the Series A is $25.50 per share. We sold for 6 persons. For the Series B is $20 per share. We sold for the 5 persons. And the last one is Series C. We sold in the price of $17.85 per share for 4 persons. Actually, I would like to say thank you again for the investment in our hotel for last year. And we really hope that you will find your investment to be sound and rewarding financial decision. And for the next three weeks, you will get the quarterly report soon. Yep. And now I would like to invite Mr. Umberto to talk about the loan presentation.
Thank you, Mr. I forgot his name. Anyway, I will say, as we mentioned earlier, so my position, I'm in charge of accounting vice president. So, in order for us to run the business, that's why we decided to get a loan from this bank, Soka Bank, which from June 15. So, for us, in order for us to, what's happening? Oh. What? The right one?
Yeah.
Okay. So here is the detail or the reason why we apply for the loan for. So the reason why we apply for the loan in order to recognize our hotel to be the fourth step, which is located in San Diego, and also to improve our service, and we can combine the warmth and vitality of the city with our traditional and charm of the Europe. And our community also will be proud of the hotel as it is a vital part of the city in waterfront. So that's the reason why we apply for the loan. So here the description of the hotel. The reason open the hotel is a full service. It's which located in Santiago. It's busy with the colorful waterfront area, and with the business, and also we can accept the visitor who can travel or make vacation, or who are interested to attend the conference. And regarding the facility, we have a 200 room and 125 standard and 50 dialogues and 25 suite and full service, 2 restaurant and bar. If we want to get something to drink, we have those kind of service. And we have 2 restaurant room services, and we have a 2 swimming pool and supper and 3 conference room also, business facility, internet access in all room. And here is the revenue that we generate within January to June. So the revenue was 4,075,725. So this is our expense. That's the income that we come out with. And the anticipated revenue and expense from July to December. That's the revenue that we have. That expense that we make, and here the net income. So that is the proof of the documentation that we came out with from the first year, or here in the other meaning, here is the resolution for the first year, from January to December. So here we can find out if the business was of the result was the business of profit or lose. That will come of the profit or lose the report. The revenue was on 9,686 million, and the spend was, so that was the net income. Mean that when we calculate the expense from the revenue, mean that we have the profit was gain. So we gain from the business. So if the expense was higher than revenue, mean that we have lost from the business, mean that the business ran very nice. I think that's what we came out from through our business. And if you have any question, please feel free to any one of our parties. And we did have to help you.